Hi, welcome to Today in Physics. Today, 9th March, is the birthday of Walter Kahn and Takaaki Kajita, as well as the anniversary of the death of Hans Christian Ørsted.
Walter Kahn was a theoretical physicist renowned for his development of density functional theory, DFT, a fundamental method in computational physics and chemistry. His work, particularly in the 1960s, revolutionized the study of the electronic structure of atoms, molecules, and solids. DFT allowed for the efficient calculation of electron density, which significantly reduced the complexity of solving many-body quantum mechanical problems. Kahn's contributions provided a practical framework for understanding materials and chemical reactions, earning him the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 1998 for his work in computational chemistry.
Hans Christian Ørsted was famous for discovering the relationship between electricity and magnetism, laying the foundation for electromagnetism. In 1820, he demonstrated that a compass needle deflects when placed near a current-carrying wire, showing that electric currents produce magnetic fields. This discovery bridged the gap between electrical and magnetic phenomena, fundamentally changing the understanding of physics. Ørsted's work directly inspired further research by scientists like Ampere, Faraday, and Maxwell, eventually leading to the development of electromagnetism as a unified field. His contributions not only advanced theoretical physics but also had practical implications, influencing the development of modern electrical and magnetic technologies.
Takaaki Kajita is renowned for his groundbreaking discovery of neutrino oscillations, which demonstrated that neutrinos have mass. This work was conducted at the Super Kamiokande detector in Japan, where he provided evidence that neutrinos switch between different flavors, electron, muon, and tau neutrinos, as they travel. This phenomenon overturned the long-held belief that neutrinos were massless and significantly advanced the understanding of particle physics. His discovery has profound implications for the standard model of particle physics and our understanding of the universe. For this work, he shared the 2015 Nobel Prize in Physics with Arthur B. MacDonald.
If today is your birthday, happy birthday to you.